Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Friends, in this video I'm gonna tell you about how to use this USB type C pen drive in your Motorola smartphone. So let's start the video, friends. So first, friends, you can see this is the SanDisk type C pen drive and USB pen drive also. So let's put in this port like this. So as you can see, it is now connected. So here you can see, friends, let's wait for it until it show up on here. So you can first go to the files by Google also. So here it will show like SanDisk 125 GB something it has, and you can see it is showing like this. So this is how you can insert it easily. If it is not showing, then you have to restart your device and again you have to put it here and it will be working. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.